Sex don't mean that much to me, man. You know, it ain't part of my routine. You know, I ain't never took no square nowhere. And I do not buy dreams. I sell them. See, people you can't explain that.
It's like if you want to talk astrophysics to a motherfucking wino.
Love don't mix with this pippin'. What the hell you talking about? Goddamn no, because if I get this motherfucker loving a bitch, she gonna end up loving me. And she gonna love me too goddamn much, and she gonna give me too many goddamn problems, because her concentration is gonna be on me, how I'm treating her, instead of concentrating on getting some goddamn money. You understand me? Because that's what she needs to do. That's our profession, is get some goddamn motherfucking money. Now, if she want to fuck with me, well, then she gonna fuck with some pippin'.
It may look glamour-like to you, because you see me riding, you dig? Snake skin down to the floor, you dig? Hat and shoes to match, diamonds on fingers and watches on arms. I'm telling you, it might look easy, baby, but you're gonna have to work some to get to this static, baby. See you at the top.